go to the Islam. Oh, I have a boyfriend. I want to marry. So I'm saying, well, okay, wait. You're not converting a Muslim for marriage. This is
Yes.
no game. This is not game.
Hmm.
This is the real life. It's your decision, you know. So you thinking, and I tell you about the Islam and whatever you want to know. Okay, and thank you. And pass the days. That boy, he needed her,
Hmm.
and I say, okay, I abandoned you. Hey, what do you want? Do you want that way or your way?
Mm.
And she thinking about that, and I do you take the space and
Mm.
and I remember she called me 2 years. Oh no, sorry. 2 days,
Mm.
and she called me in the night and say me, I feel this is the true way,
Mm.
and I trust in the Amen community, and I
Masha.
need converter. Unless I feel that you are the only, you are the miracle, you are the mystery, you are all. And I go to the most and she converted. But in the conversion, she said me, what's the